Great start, women guys. OpenAI has released a new threat in the AI world, that is O3 Pro. It is capable of replacing senior software developers, not juniors, senior level software developers, and it holds the 159th position in the CodeForces of competitive programming leaderboard. It comes under 200 best programmer in the world. Along with that, it is also a strong candidate for the development of AGI. In this video, we are going to cover like what O3 model is and how powerful is it and how we can use it in our own work so that we may not end up with the people being replaced by the people who are using this model like O3, the people who are using O3 Pro. Before talking about the performance and the benchmark of O3 Pro, we have to understand why OpenAI named this model. That is absurd, right? Some models, the names are like GPT-3, GPT-3.5, GPT-4 and GPT-4.5. And on the other hand, we have O series model, that is O1, O1 mini, O1 high, GPT-4o, then we have O3 also, and now we have O3 Pro. So what is the difference between normal GPT models and O series model? And why do we need to have this separate kind of nomenclature for these models? The reason is the OpenAI has the model that are broadly classified into two categories. One is for general purpose model and the other set is it is for thinking model. General purpose models are used for doing lightweight works like data entry, copywriting, story writing, social media caption, all the lightweight stuff it will done by the general purpose model. And if we are talking about the thinking model, we use here COT, chain of thought prompting technique is there, which is used for solving complex tasks, and especially it is used for math and coding. To make the clear distinction for the user, so the user can use this model efficiently, these kind of names were given to this model. In O series, the O means Omni, supporting audio, video, text, images also. That means everything is supported inside the GPT model. Anyways, coming back to O3 Pro, the first benchmark we are going to see is the performance benchmark. O3 Pro went head to head with human tester in competitive evaluation. And here's what happened. Overall queries, it got 64% right, 64% of win rate. Scientific analysis, it got 64.9%. Personal writing, it got the highest, that is 66.7% win rate. And now if we see computer programming, it got 62.7%. And at last we see the data analysis part, it got 64.3% win rate. Now here is what really interesting. While OpenAI models have always crushed in science, education, programming, maths and data analysis, we see a big improvement here this time in writing. Earlier we know like OpenAI, all the models, or general model and O series model, they suck at writing. But now the users have rated O3 Pro to have more consistent writing. The writing it has higher clarity, more comprehensive when compared to the previous generation of the models. But wait, it gets even more interesting. And in a single pass evaluation, where the model get only one chance to solve the problem, O3 Pro has absolutely dominated it. In the AMI 2084 maths benchmark, it got 93% questions right, that is 3% higher than its previous generation, O3 Media. Now, and next in PhD science quotient, it got 84% accuracy, and in competitive programming, that is on CodeForces, here's what it gets really insane. O3 Pro have scored 2,748 points on CodeForces, that is 200 plus points jump than its previous O3 model. And to put this in perspective, the score that O3 Pro have achieved is the 159th position among all competitive programming on the CodeForce globally. So think about it for a second. This AI is now sitting among the top 159 competitive programming which are present in the world. OpenAI has also introduced a brutal consistency tester, that is the 4x4 reliability evaluation tester. In this, the model has to pass the same benchmark correctly 4 out of 4 times. If it fails even once, then the whole test is considered to be failed. What are the results? Maths benchmark, it got 90% consistency. PhD science question, it got 76% right, so slightly it got down from 84% to 76%, but anyhow it is good. And if we come for competitive programming, it got 2301 points. Still incredibly very strong. This consistency is remarkable, and this model is it has a reliable performance. But here's what Poti Pro really shines, and this is what it makes a different from other models in real business application. Morgan, co-founder of Raindrop, has shared an incredible story. He and his co-founder paired O3 Pro with all the company history, past planning, documentation, meeting, notes, calls, even the voice memos, and they have asked O3 to create a business plan. The result? A comprehensive, concrete plan with target metrics, timelines, priority ranking, specific, actionable, and instructions, and cultural guidelines. So Morgan said, O3 Pro gave us the response that were so specific and rooted enough that it actually changed how they are going to think about the future. This kind of impact has been created with O3 Pro. And that's it for today, guys. I think you have liked this video. And also comment down below what do you think about O3 Pro and how it is like going to create an impact in your own development workflow. And just share me some incredible stories down here. Thank you.